Hey guys, welcome to Joykoo channel. If you are new here, my name is Alan. Come for the listen battery tips and hammer break. We all know energy storage technology is changing the way we live. So, how to build an off-grid solar power system? How to choose an inverter and the battery? What is the key selection conditions? In this video, I hope I can help you. In the last video, I tested two-piece DEYE hybrid type 5 kW inverter with Joykoo wall mounted type battery 5 kWh and 10 kWh battery module. Also, we test the rack type battery 5 kWh and 10 kWh. Joykoo battery or battery module is lithium phosphate battery. It's more safety, longer cycle life, and good price and good quality. So which one is the best choice for you? The first is inverter. During our testing, the DEYE inverter and the global inverter is very good for the whole system because of their longer lifespan and stable performance. Also, it's very safe. And about the battery, how to choose if you have a strong wall and you don't need too much power from the battery, you can choose the wall mounted type like the Joykoo 5 kWh or 10 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery module. If you want more energy from the battery, you can choose this one. This is Joykoo rack type. You can installation the battery module with the brackets and you can stack the battery one piece, one by one. You can get more energy from the system. And today I also use this load machine for testing the whole system. I will use about at least 4 kilowatts, because when we tested, I set in 4 kilowatts load power. Uh, the actually the load power will get 4.2 or 4.7. So I will use 4 kilowatts load power for testing the whole system. Actually, now I already finished the whole connection for this system. From the battery positive terminals and the negative terminals, I use this is 4 connection cables connected the battery with the DEYE inverter. And this is a communication cable from the battery to the inverter. And this inverter with Wi-Fi part, so I have an app on my phone. I can connect my phone with this inverter and I can check the whole system working details on my phone. And this battery with Bluetooth part, so I can also get a nice app on my phone and I can check the about the BMS details, the battery details, the temperature, the cell voltage, the discharge current, the charging current, the SOC, and more details about this battery on my phone. So now let's check the whole system. Let's see. This is positive terminals, and this is negative terminals. This is a breaker. Or Joykoo 100 amp hour battery with this breaker for protect the battery, and this is communication cables, and resetting the DIP is 6 ohm, and this is a power switch, and here is the inverter. This is from battery communication cables, and this one is for battery positive connection, and this is for battery negative connection. These two cables is for PV panels input, and this is the load output connection. This is from grid input connection, and this one is a Wi-Fi part. So I got a nice app on my phone. I connected the phone app with this inverter by Wi-Fi. I can check the whole system working details. And this one is a PV switch. Today there is no sunshine, so I got no power from the PV panels. This is a power switch. And See, now the battery temperature is 31, and the load power is 0.01 kilowatts. Now I will use 4.1 kilowatts for testing this system working. Here we are. Now the loading power is 4.68 kilowatts, about 4.7, and the current is 20 amp. The voltage is 230 volts. Let's check the inverter. Now the inverter is loading power 4.72 kilowatts, and from the battery is 4.98, about 5 kilowatts from the battery. Let's see the battery. Okay, the battery voltage now is 51.1 volts, and the current 98 amp. Temperature now, battery temperature is 22.4. Okay, I will keep this system working for 30 minutes. Then let's see what will happen. And because the DEYE 5 kilowatt hybrid type inverter have Wi-Fi part, so I connected my phone app with the inverter by Wi-Fi. So now let's check what we can check on our phone. See, the battery output power is 4.96 kilowatts, and the load power is 4.69 kilowatts. And now I will download the app on my phone because Joykoo wall mounted type battery with Bluetooth part, so I can connect my phone with the battery by Bluetooth. Let's see what will happen. Search this one. And let's see. Now the voltage is 51.12 volt and the discharge current is 98.47 amp. The power is 5034. The temperature is 48. The cell temperature is 27. We can check all details about the battery by your phone app. The BMS of this battery continuous discharge current is 100 amp, and now the continuous discharge current is 99.2 amp, and the SOC is 47% left. Okay, now it's half an hour later. now the power is 4.6 kilowatts, and the current is 20 amp. I stop this machine. Now I'm using the grid power charging these batteries. The charging current is 45 amp, about 45 amp, and now is 89%, 43.6 amp charging voltage. Let's see something here. 89%. Let's see 10 minutes later. I think the battery will get fully charged. Okay, now 10 minutes later, now the SOC is 96%. They are 97 amp hour. And then I shut down the grid power. See, now it's off grid. I add one more piece. Joykoo 5 kWh or mounted type lithium iron phosphate battery parallel with this battery and connected in this system. Turn on the switch and let's see. And turn on the load machine. Start the fans, start the load, and 4.3. Let's see what will happen. Now the power is about 4.9 kilowatts, and the current is 21 amp. This battery 29.7 amp, about 30 amp discharge current, and this one 72.2 amp discharge current, and the load power is 4.96 kilowatts, almost 5 kilowatts output power, and from the battery is 4.31 kilowatts, 101.92 amp, and the temperature is 35.3. Okay guys, after testing the 5 kilowatt hybrid type DEYE inverter with 1 piece 5 kilowatt hour Joykoo battery or mounted type, half 1 hour later, I use the grid power charging this battery to 97%, and then I add one more battery parallel with this battery in this system. This one is the same battery, also 5 kilowatt hour lithium phosphate battery from Joykoo. I connected this battery with this battery in parallel, and now I'm testing this system. I input 4.3 kilowatts load power for testing this system, but the working power is 4.8, about 4.9 kilowatts. Actually, it's almost the 4 load power for this inverter loading. And now the whole system is also working very well. So that's all today. I hope this video can help you know more about the solar inverter and Joykoo battery. If you have any questions and suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. So that's all today. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.